नीती आयोगाच्या मार्गदर्शक तत्वाप्रमाण गोयच्या कांय सरकारी हॉस्पिटलांचे खासगीकरण करपाचे आसात. हाका लागून थळाव्या दोतोरांक नोकरी मेळपाची संद आसा म्हण माहिती भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे हांणी दिल्या. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
Coming to health, all of you know that Honorable Prime Minister has made a very categorical statement is the number of doctors in the country needs to be increased so that we have doctor availability. Even in a place like Goa, we are finding shortage of doctors. So as a result of which, I have already had preliminary discussions. No, I have had serious discussions and all the paperwork from my side has gone already to Government of India. And we are identifying, as of today, we have identified the South Goa District Hospital as the ideal place to have a private medical college for the state of Goa. Our here situation is like this. We are now appointing a consultant. We have already shortlisted PwC and ENY. One of them will be shortlisted by the committee headed by the Secretary Health. And आमचे कितें आसा आमचे धोरण कितें आसा आमकां आमचे भुरग्यांक एडिशनल सीट कशें गावतले आनी दुसरें की using that facility of the person who gets selected. And we have been told by the Government of India the best successful model is the Sardar Vallabhbhai College in Gujarat. In Ahmedabad, this college is running very successfully. We should look at it. And there is a specific guidelines given when you go for this. And every state in every district has to see that. But for us in Goa, we have got only one hospital. That is the South Goa District Hospital, which is a 550 bedded hospital. And this 550 bedded hospital, as of today, which I had said we are increasing the strength to about 600, 700, it will go to about 650, 700. And most importantly is that it has got the infrastructure since I have cancelled nursing. We have, once the ENY and the consultant comes on board with the guidance from the Chief Minister, we will shortlist the party that is there who will build it. But we are in a position because when I talk to some consultants during the course of interaction, we have enough space to start a 100-seat medical college on those 2 floors initially. So we have got the infrastructure, we can immediately start once we have, and they will help. They will also have, this will be a separate model. This is just not a private medical college. We are supposed to give 10 acres of land under this model, which is prescribed by the Government of India, but that will come through procedural, all procedures, financial sanction, all that. But we have got land opposite the South Goa District Hospital, 10 acres, which we are thinking that they should be linked to this hospital for us to move forward.